Let's be honest. Listening sounds easy until you're in the middle of a fight. 1 minute you're trying to stay calm, and the next your heart is pounding, your face is hot, and you're either shutting down or firing back. You're not being dramatic, you're not being difficult, you're being human. Because here's what most people don't realize. You don't stop listening because you don't care. You stop listening because your body thinks you're in danger. Let me explain what I mean. When your brain senses emotional threat, whether it's a raised voice, a certain look, or just feeling misunderstood, your nervous system kicks in to protect you. It says, this doesn't feel safe, and it flips the switch. Suddenly, you're in a fight. Flight, freeze, or fawn. You get defensive. You withdraw. You go numb. Or you try to smooth things over, even if you're hurting inside. None of that is wrong. It's your body trying to help. But it's also the moment you stop being able to truly listen. Because when you're in protection mode, you're not in connection mode. Listening, real listening, requires presence. It requires calm. And it requires you to feel safe enough to stay open, even when emotions are high. So if you ever thought, why can't I just stay calm during a fight? It's not because you're broken. It's because your body is doing exactly what it was wired to do. The good news? You can learn to work with that wiring, not against it. You can learn to notice the signs of emotional flooding. Maybe it's your heart rate. Maybe your breath. That feeling in your chest like something just locked up. And then you pause. You breathe. You ground yourself. Maybe with a phrase, or maybe by noticing your feet on the floor. You give your nervous system a signal. We're okay. We're safe. We can stay here. Because that moment right there, that lets you shift from reacting to reconnecting. That's what makes space for real listening. So I want you to start paying attention, not just to what's being said, but to what's happening inside you as it's being said. Okay, notice when you leave the conversation emotionally, then gently bring yourself back. Because every time you return to the moment with presence, you're showing your partner and your own body that this is a relationship safe enough to stay in. Let's keep going.